Welcome to the Pipotoeng channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 2026 BMW X6 design, features, performance, and why it might be the perfect choice for you. As the first coupe-styled SUV, the 2026 BMW X6 combines dynamic styling, luxurious comfort, and exciting performance. The X6 gets revised style, electronics, and engine for 2026, making it a better alternative for sporty SUV buyers who desire a premium presence. Bold, athletic exterior. The 2026 X6 retains its coupe-like design, but has sharper lines and updated details. In addition to its subtle reshaping, BMW's lighted kidney grille adds style during nighttime driving. Exterior highlights. More compact adaptable LED or laser light headlights. Redesigned front bumper and air intakes improve aerodynamics. Sporty rear diffuser and updated taillight signature. Standard 20-inch wheels, optional 21 and 22-inch design. M Sport brings distinctive bumpers, gloss black details, and a rear spoiler. Luxury and performance make the X6 one of the most attractive SUVs in its class. Elegant, sporty interior. The 2026 X6 has BMW's newest cabin design, with high-quality materials, a digital interface, and athletic looks. Luxury meets driver focus. Some interior characteristics are dual-curved 12.3-inch digital cluster and 14.9-inch infotainment screens with BMW iDrive 9. Optional carbon fiber or wood trimmings and merino leather upholstery. Customized color-zoned ambient lighting. Standard heated front seats, vented, and massage options. Plenty of backseat room for a coupe SUV. Standard power panoramic moonroof. Despite the sloping canopy, cargo space is enough for everyday and weekend usage. Powerful, precise performance. All 2026 BMW X6 performance options use mild hybrid technology for efficiency and smooth power delivery. Powertrain choices. X6 xDrive 41, 375 horse, 3.0L, turbocharged inline-6. X6 M60i xDrive 4.4L twin-turbo V8, 523 horsepower. X6M coming soon. Performance aficionados get over 600 horsepower. All models include 8-speed automatic and xDrive AWD. Optional rear-wheel steering and adaptive suspension improve handling. The X6's high-riding SUV performance rivals sports cars, retaining accuracy and exhilaration. Technology. Advanced connectivity. The BMW X6 has top-notch tech to match its style. Speedier iDrive 9, OTA updates, and voice assistant. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Optional B and W Diamond, surround sound. AR navigation on some models, remote car management with digital key and My BMW app, safety and driving aid. The 2026 X6 has complete driver assistance features, emergency braking and forward collision warning, lane keep assist and departure warning, blind spot recognition and rear cross-traffic warning available, driving assistant professional with adaptive cruise and lane centering, 3-dimensional surround view camera. Pricing estimate. Start price, USD, X6 xDrive 40i $74,000. X6 M60i xDrive $94,000. X6M, if launched, $120,000 plus. Prices depend on choices and bundles. Final decision. The 2026 BMW X6 is a spectacular power, luxury, and design offering. Its newest enhancements make it a coupe SUV trailblazer with dynamic performance and high-end comforts for individuals who wish to stand out.